Students, the formula of Newton-Stirling interpolation is this one. As you can see, y is equal to f of x, y is equal to f of x, and this is equal to y naught into y naught plus p over 1 factorial delta y naught plus delta y minus 1 2 plus p square over 2 factorial delta square y minus 1 and so on. This is the formula of Stirling Newton-Stirling interpolation, and the value of p is x is equal to x naught divided by h. What is h? H is the common difference of two consecutive values of x. X is a variable, x naught is the initial value, and we will see how can we apply this formula by using some question. So this is the question. Construct the table, difference table, and estimate the values. Different values are here, but here we will find Stirling interpolation formula at f is equal to 1.28. First of all, we will complete the table. Write the values of x. X के तमाम values को आप लिखेंगे. As you can see here, x. These are all the values of x. ठीक है. X के तमाम values को हम लिखेंगे. After that, we will write the values of y. Y के तमाम values आ जाएंगे हमारे पास. This is the values of y. ठीक है. Next, we will find delta y. But you can see here, this is the value of x naught. We can denote this value x naught. This is x naught. This value is x1, x minus 1. This is x minus 2. This is x minus 3. Similarly, this is x1, x2, and this is x3. Okay. And we can also give the names of the values of y. As you can see here, this is y naught, y minus 1, y minus 2, y minus 3, and below the y naught this is y1, y2 and y3. Now find the difference. Difference find करेंगे. Delta y कैसे find करेंगे? Difference of these two values. ठीक है. 2.035 03562 minus 1.84147. इसका difference find करें तो ये वाली value आ जाएगी. Similarly, find this difference of these two values. तो हमारे पास second value आ जाएगी, third, fourth and so on. तमाम के तमाम values का हम difference find करेंगे. Now this value will becomes delta y naught. ये delta y naught हो जाएगी. Delta y minus 1, this is delta y minus 2, this is delta y minus 1, delta y minus 2, delta y minus 3, और इससे नीचे जो हमारे पास ये वैल्यू होगी, this is delta y1, this is delta y2. अगेन डिफरेंस फाइंड करेंगे तो ये तमाम वैल्यूज हमारे पास आ जाएंगी. ठीक है. सो दिस इज again this is delta square y minus 1 and this value is delta square y naught. ठीक है. Again find the difference delta cube y, वो तमाम हमारे पास values आ जाएंगी and we know how to find the difference of these two values. इनका difference हम find करेंगे. Next find delta raised to power 4y, delta raised to power 5y, delta raised to power 6y. Clear? And we denote this value by delta raised to power cube y minus 1, delta raised to power cube y minus 2. Similarly, this value delta raised to power 4 y minus 2. And you can see these values are encircled because we will use these values in the formula. ठीक है. ये जितनी भी values जिनको हमने circle किया हुआ है rectangular shape में आपको नजर आ रही हैं, we will use all these values in our formula. Delta raised to power 6y minus 3 and delta raised to power 5y minus 3, delta raised to power 5y minus 2. And we can see the formula. Formula को हम एक बार फिर से देख सकते हैं जिसमें हमने तमाम values को put करना है. And this is the formula. ठीक है. And we can extend this formula easily. अब आप तमाम के तमाम वैल्यूज फार्मूला में पुट करें. जितनी भी वैल्यूज हमने टेबल से अभी देखी हैं, ये तमाम वैल्यूज y नॉट की, डेल्टा y नॉट, डेल्टा y नॉट, डेल्टा y माइनस 1, delta is square y minus 2, delta q y minus 1, delta q y minus 2, delta raised to power 4 y minus 2, and similarly we will also use the value of delta raised to power 4 y minus 2, delta raised to power 5 y minus 3, delta raised to power 5 y minus 2, and delta raised to power 6 y minus 3. ठीक है, ये तमाम की तमाम वैल्यूज हम पुट करेंगे. And what is the value of px as it is? You can first of all write, and x naught, we know what is x naught. X naught is 1.3. And what is h? H is 0.1. The difference of any two exactive values, consecutive values of x, वो हमारे पास 0.1 आ जाएगा. And you can see here this one, this c part, this one, we have put the value of x equal to 1.28. Okay, and find out the p. X naught is 1.3, y naught is 2.29290, and similarly all the other values, delta y naught, delta y minus 1, as you can see in the table, all of these values are given. So please simplify it, and after that you will see the answer will comes out 2.27876457. Okay, we need to put all the values and then simplify it.